Hi folks, this is Amit. Today I'll be showing you the room tour, the studio room tour of Club Mahindra, room number 1201. Here we go in. This is a studio room with a kitchenette, oven, a tea maker, and a small fridge. We also have the cutlery for our disposal. Moving to the right, we have a washroom, which is basically a full bath, a complete washroom with a shower, basin, and a washroom, toilet. Moving further, we have a big mirror here at the entrance. Going further, we have a cupboard. With a light and also a small box to keep our valuables. We have a TV and also a king size bed with side tables. And a baggage stand. We have an extra table here and also a dinner table with chairs. We also have a sofa cum bed. Moving further, we have a balcony with two chairs, a dry stand, good light. It's night, so you won't be having a beautiful scenery out here right now. So basically, this is in all a studio room at Club Mahindra Resort, Assonora in Goa. I hope you like my video. Please do comment, subscribe, and of course, do give me a valuable feedback. It's a wonderful resort to live in. Please do come with your family and enjoy it. Till then, signing off, your very own Amit. Good night.